Napanaginip para sa 23 anyos na si Adrian na ma-display ang kanyang likhang mga footwear sa isang exhibit. Kwento niya, ilang taon nang nakalilipas, siya ay isang simpleng tambay lamang sa mga kalye ng Binalonan sa Pangasinan.
Simpleng kabataan na nandyan lang sa kalye-kalye, tambay. And then, nakapagtrabaho naman po sa may fast foods, yung mga yan. And then, bigla pong pumasok itong espadrille na to. Sobrang saya, sobrang blessed sa nangyayari ngayon. Hindi ko akalain na matutungtong ako sa ganitong industry sa paggawa ng sapatos or sa sand.
Ang kanyang potensyal, nakita at hinubog ng ina ng ama ng probinsya ng Pangasinan.
I have seen so many creations that these artisans are bringing to life. It's a kind of creativity that carries so much potential. And I believe that when they are given the proper guidance and platform to further hone their crafts, can further improve their products to world-class standards.
Nagustuhan ko, na in love ako.
Ang mga produkto at MSMEs na kanya ngayong tinututukan, siniguradong gawa sa mga materyales na mula mismo sa probinsya ng Pangasinan. Katunayan, gawa sa corn husk ang mga footwears na ibinibida ngayon ni Adrian.
You have to create something unique, no? So yun, tutulungan pa namin sila doon. Kasi it should come from them Yung ideas nila, we have to support them because we want to train them to be foot artists actually, not the maker of shoes. So as an artist, they have to think of art, no, on what they put on their footwear.
Ladies and gentlemen, we proudly present to you the Pangasinan MSME products debuting at Manila Fame.
Isa lamang ang footwear ni Adrian sa mga produkto ng 10 mga MSMEs na nais payabungin ng organisasyon sa international market. Kabilang dito ang mga blades, bags, lamps, at iba pa na hinangaan ng mga influencers at mga negosyante.
It's such a world-class, thing for everybody to just come together and really showcase the products of Pangasinan. And sobrang nakaka-proud kasi of course support local, diba? So, and it's like they have their own advocacy, and it's like you would really want to support because there's a purpose behind every product, and their hard work and all their blood, sweat, and tears are all there. So
I've been going around this province for the past 11 months, and the bounty of the nature of the people, there is so much treasure in Pangasinan that other places doesn't have. So one is the raw materials are abundant, and that is something that we can bank on. I mean, Louis Vuitton, Moet Hennessy, they're looking for this kind of bags. What we did here is almost a full cycle branding to present to you 10 brands. It's not easy. Even Louis Vuitton, Moet Hennessy has only 3 or 5. And here we are presenting to you 10.
The Pangasinan preview officially open.
Everyone, give a round of applause!
Katunayan, ang 10 MSMEs tampok sa gaganaping Fame Manila 2023 sa World Trade Center sa Pasay sa darating na October 19 hanggang October 21. Ang Fame Manila ay isang pagsasama-sama ng mga ipinagmamalaking produkto sa Pilipinas para itampok sa mga international investors na nais dalhin ang mga produktong ito sa international market. Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, matapos ang 40 taon, may kalahok na ang probinsya ng Pangasinan.
Let me take this opportunity to express my gratitude to Artisan Empowerment Association. Let's give them a big hand for partnering with the province of Pangasinan in preparing the MSMEs as they make the big step in opening the province's doors for more trade and exportation at the Manila Fame. To the MSMEs, the province of Pangasinan will be there to give our 100% support as you represent the Pangasinense on the world stage
Sa tagumpay na ito ng mga MSMEs, mas marami pang programa ang iaalay sa mga ito.
Nagtayo kami ng Polytechnic College, the Pangasinan Polytechnic College, and an institution or a school of MSMEs. Not only the province who will give the support, but there are entrepreneurs, business people, or corporations that would also want to take part of this industry.
Dito ay maghahanap sila ng mga tututukang scholars at ipapadala sa mga trainings para mas mahubog at matulungan ang mga ito sa pagyabong sa mundo ng pagnenegosyo gamit ang likas na yaman ng probinsya ng Pangasinan. Randy Guzman para sa Luzon Headlines.